Welcome back to Arlen's garden. We're going to dig our potatoes out here. We have potatoes that we planted from seed. I had leftover potatoes over winter, so I decided, well, the farmers do it, so I'll do it. So now we're going to find out what happened. The stems grew, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. We've been waiting for months. Whoa. Gold. Small, they're nice. Pretty healthy looking. This came from 1 or 2 potatoes. I gotta get a pail. Be right back. Try I don't know how close we planted them, Nick. Do you remember? We're going to be eating these things tonight. Mashed potatoes and meatloaf. These potatoes will only be a few hours old when we eat them. We'll probably not... Have you ever mashed potatoes without peeling them? We won't peel these. We'll just mash them all up. I think there's some over there. Pretty soft ground compared to some of yours, huh? Yeah. There we go. Whoa. That's a bunch. Previous scoop. You have to be able to dig when you plant potatoes. Wow! Now this, we're getting somewhere now. These are called Pontiac Red, if you want to know. Thank you for watching Arlen's garden. Watch for more harvesting videos.